a few times. Warren Road. What is that? It's cool looking. Yeah, the last time we went out, I got it all on this one.
Oh, okay.
They're Central, so yeah. Warren and Central. It's open. See all this right here?
Yeah.
You used to be able to go. This is one of the ways you used to be able to go. That's all. They tore down a lot of stuff. This used to have a building on the corner, but go down Prairie. Look, they tore down something right there. They tore down a lot on it since I've been over here. Warren and Prairie. Look at these nice, giant ass houses. Go slower, you know?
Yeah.
Dang, that one's looking a little rough. That's a giant house,
Yeah,
man.
it is. Look at it.
I'm glad to see they're still.
Oh, that's a two-family home.
Most
that's
of them
why.
are, but I mean, it's still huge.
Oh, yeah. It's like
They're occupied.
a small castle.
It's good. That garage was done over there.
Oh, that one looks nice with the
Yeah, a lot of
aluminum.
them. Noticing a lot of them were renewed
Mhm.
lately. Keep going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, something got torn down on the corner of Majestic there. Yeah, there's still a lot of nice houses here. I like that.
Yeah. A lot of nice ones.
The closer you get to Joy, it gets a little rougher, but see, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is my old stomping grounds. Basically from Wyoming to Livernois, from Joy to Fort. I was everywhere. Forever. Diversity. They tore something down. Alright.
What's that all over that garage? Oh, they probably had that
That was a
blue
tarp.
tape.
That
Yeah.
was a tarp. Here's one that goes slow. Burnt down. Dang.
Sure did.
There's not a will tear down soon sign on it either. They're redoing this house. See all the nice woodwork?
Oh, yeah.
And all the school bus collection.
Well, that was weird with the trailer. Huh?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Because you can pull stuff.
Right.
Storage. Oh, this house caught fire. Dang. Look at that. I'll show it. It's renewed. There's a lot of houses they put new siding on that looks great. Like this one.
Yeah.
Look how
Looks
nice
really
that
nice.
is.
Yeah.
Alright, we're coming up to the tire, man.
What way?
Take a right. Good old Prairie Street. And then, because I want to go down Monica and all that, so we'll work our way.
All right.
Keep going down Prairie, might as well.
That's another nice one. Look at the corner one.
Yeah, this I bet needs work on.
Yeah.
But there's new siding. You can tell
Right.
that siding wasn't there. They've been putting new siding up a lot, and you can tell it makes a huge difference.
Oh, yeah.
Like this one's got newer siding.
But see how close together the houses are?
That's Detroit.
That's how my grandma's
That's how it was always in Southwest though, forever. Little.
Wow, look at that one.
Slow down. Let me get the whole thing. This is my favorite part of the city. Can't believe they haven't tore that school down yet.
Yeah, look how big it is.
I've driven by this school 10 zillion times. Oh, it's gonna be tore down.
It sure is.
Glad I'm getting it one last time. Well, they're getting rid of all their old schools. It's kind of sad.
Yeah.
Those schools were built in the early 1900s. A lot of them. Alaska. We're gonna take a right on Alaska. No, it actually goes straight. Yeah, we'll have time to hit all. We're gonna stay in this neighborhood the whole time. See, these got fixed up since we've been down here. Remember, about a year ago, that guy was working on here with the big ladder?
Right.
And it was all boarded up and looked like crap. Look how nice these two look now.
Yeah,
Instead of tearing it down, they salvaged it. All 4 of them. I got videos where all 4 of these were boarded up, trashed, and they're all redid.
Kidding.
Yeah. Because it's going to lead us right up to Joy. I'm so happy they did that. That looks great. This was the house where the dude was working on here. Oh, let me get it. Slow down. This one still needs work, but they got the other ones. Because then there's this one, and then there's going to be like 3 houses to the left that are in rough shape. Hold on. All right. Go ahead, drive. We'll come back around the block. Go down our Julian.
Mattress.
Always mattresses in the hood. I probably count 40 of them a day. It's just something tore down fresh there. It's sad. Usually all the garages in this hood are always in rough shape.
Yeah.
But they're so old,
Right.
And no cold winters. And man, this crazy. This used to be all like overgrown woodland. See all the stumps now?
Oh, yeah.
In a greenhouse? That's cool. But the last time even last year when we were here, that was well overgrown. This is Livernois. We're gonna go towards Joy, but when we work our way back to 94, remember what block we ended off on so we can,
Okay.
I want to hit those ones still too.
Right.
I want to go down Clifton and Majestic.
So to the right?
We're going to go left towards Joy. But I mean, on our way back, remember that we started at Julian. Because here's going to be Joy. And then we're going to hit Dover and Stopel, Monica, American. Yeah, get in the turn lane. I'm sorry. We're going to go left. And then the first street, take a right, which is Stopel.
Okay.
We're going to take that to Dover, then right to then right to Monica, that dead end street.
Right.
We're going to go down it, come back. Then we'll go down Dover towards Central. I don't know if they got it blocked off or not because of the Greenway, but if not, we'll take Central back and then get back into the houses. They tore down stuff right here. There used to be 2 big houses right here years ago. See, you can tell.
Oh, yeah.
Turn right. I know this area like the back of I know where all the houses were. I could just do not much torn down here from when I always came this way. It's right there. I knew someone that used to live in this house. It's crazy. It's torn down now. Look at all those tires. Go left. Damn, that dirt mound's crazy. That never used to be like that.
What is that from?
This used to be a field like. I wonder what they're building something there, obviously. There's good old Monica Street. Damn, they tore down a couple houses on this corner.
Yeah.
There was a house there, but there was a house on the other block too,
Straight still?
No, go right on Monica. I want to see if they still got all these houses. Go slow.
Yeah, I will.
The guy in this corner house recently, right here, just passed away, I heard.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Someone's staying in there. I've been in that house before. I've been in that house before. This house before. Look at all this trash. That's sad. Someone's living it. Look, someone's chilling in there. been in this house before. They tore one down right here just recently, see?
Yeah.
I've been in this house before. Ain't that funny?
What's going on here?
You're gonna have to turn around.
Okay.
But I mean, try to get, that's not glass. I want to get that boat and these tires.
Okay.
Look at all that tires back there, all that dumping.
Yeah, it's terrible.
And look at that boat. That's big. Always boats. Alright, just stop for a second. Boat. Look at that house right there. Alright, try to turn yourself around. You're good. And this is all been, look at that building. Hold on. Alright, this has all been gutted out. This never used to look like that. They cleared it out a lot. This wall looks cool. Hold on, let me get this. That's sweet looking. That's new. Well, last time we were here, they had different stuff on the wall. Okay. But I wonder what they plan on building here, because this is all cleared out.
Yeah.
This used to all be trees. Hold on, let me get this better. Alright. Dang, it's cold. Oops, I always put my thumb over it. That house is private property. Someone bought that. Good for them. Can't believe what and they're leaving that house up. That's wild. I wonder what's being built there. Alright, go right. Peace out, Monica Street. Yep, those houses are still there. Man, I can't film now because the lady. Oh shit, there's a sign that says warning cameras. That must be a hot drug corner or something.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
We should have kept going down and look back. Look, this is what you like to see right here, guys working on houses. That's gonna look nice.
Yeah, well.
Whole bunch torn down here. This is still up. That's surprising. Alright, let me see. That's one way. Damn, they tore out. There was like 6. Look, this whole block. Last time we went to go straight. Last time we went down it, they were still all standing. They tore down like 8 houses on that block. Go down American, and then we'll come back that one. You know what I mean, Gene?
I do.
Keep kids alive. Drive 25, right? That's a weird color.
Oh my goodness. I don't think I'd like a purple house.
That's different.
Yeah,
Right?
it is.
I ain't hating.
No. Everyone's got their own taste.
Right. Oh shit, look at that burnt, that garage. There ain't as much tore down as I thought there was gonna be. Over back here, there's a lot gone. You don't see much.
Right.
Go right. Like over in here, there was more houses back in the day. Dang, there ain't nothing all right through here. Back there, it's pretty rough, but we're gonna stay this way.
You want me to turn?
Yeah, but I want to get these two. Hold on. Alright, turn. That's a colorful house.
Yeah.
Another purple. That must be the new style in this area. See?
Yeah. Must be.
That tree fell down. This used to be all woods, and there would be people that would line you up on right here.
Oh yeah.
Years ago, yeah. Like long time ago. What is that? A little hut? Look at
Looks
that.
like it.
Oh man, my arm. fried already. Alright, now I'll go back this way real quick. I'm gonna want to go down that street we didn't get to. Oh, it looks cool seeing those from behind. Actually, yeah, go ahead. Oh, there we go. Give it a rest. Ooh.
Straight, honey?
Yeah, we're gonna go right down Monica.
That's a cute little blue farmhouse.
Yeah, that's the house where a guy recently passed away that used to live there for a long time. Turn right here, right here. Oh, sweet. There's a new building, but let me get these ones. What's that say? Foundation. All right. Oop, that house is nicely done right there.
Mm. Oh, yeah, with that brick or rock.
Yeah,
setting,
two
I
of
like
them.
that.
But look at it. That's
Do
going to
this
be
one,
beautiful.
yeah.
They tore it down a lot there, but I like that. I like how, like, those big houses on Joy.
Yeah.
I always liked. Detroit. Juan Beach. So someone was up in there screwing around, but that's gonna look nice. There's a bando. Hold on, slow down. These are nice houses.
What way?
We're gonna go left. I'm about to end this video for this segment.